So as a follow-up to the previous video, I wanted to quickly run a little test just to prove to you that what I was saying is in fact true. So what I've done is using the two jungle accounts that we've created, I'm going to watch the Udemy course account and then issue transactions from that Udemy course account to the Bob account, and we'll watch the resources change as I issue transactions. So you can see here I've already ran a couple tests just to prove this concept works before recording the video. So I've used some of the CPU and some of the net. So let's just issue one of these commands, and you will see once the transaction goes through on the blockchain, we'll see here that the used net and the used CPU went up and the available went down in both cases. So we run another one, we can watch that happen again. And once again, the used went up slightly. You also notice that the memory remains unchanged because I'm not doing anything with any tables here. I'm just transferring between two accounts. One thing I will note is that if, let's say, the Bob account wasn't already holding EOS and we tried to transfer that EOS, then the RAM would be used up in the Bob account in that case, because a new row would have to be added in that table, which would consume RAM. But where both of these accounts already have RAM, they'll both remain unchanged. One thing to note also is this used amount, as I said in the previous video, will be given back to you, but it gets given back to you over a 3-day period. So rather than sitting here and recording myself for 3 days while we watch this number change back, you might have to take my word for it that eventually you will be given, this used amount will eventually go back into the available amount. Okay, that's all for this video.